In this video, we will learn how to make your man fall in love with you again. In a long-distance relationship, I know long-distance relationships are extremely hard. You feel like you've got nothing to talk about, or maybe there's no more excitement as there once was. Or most importantly, you feel like you two are drifting apart. You have noticed changes in your partner's behaviors and you are afraid he has lost feelings for you. So that's why in this video, I'm going to tell you 4 easy and guaranteed ways to save your long-distance relationship and make him fall in love with you again. And, if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you an amazing tip to instantly make your man miss you in a long-distance relationship. So, be sure you don't miss that. But before that, if you like videos about preventing your relationship from fading away and experiencing the magical relationship you've always dreamed of, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also, I have a free swipe file of 5 phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you in the description down below. Okay, so, number 1, prioritize your time together. When you create time together, when you go on a vacation together, or when you go on a weekend getaway together, when you mark that on your calendar and when you prioritize your time together, it reminds you why you're going through the pain in a long-distance relationship and why you're enduring the loneliness in your time apart. It reminds you that you're going through this pain because you are in love. He will too be reminded that he is going through the struggles for a reason, and that is because he loves you. Prioritizing love is what matters in a relationship. So, how are you prioritizing your time together? Number 2, surprises. If you can send a gift to their house that's really exciting, even just taking pictures of your day and sending him pictures, so they have pictures of you going through the day. So rather than talking to him at night or first thing in the morning, you're actually letting him interact with your day. Showing him a loving side of your day is a really loving thing to do, and it will remind him of you more often. This will make him feel your presence in his life. So create these unexpected moments in your communication. Number 3, when you visit each other, try not to pack it with activities. Rather than packing your time together with numerous activities, learn how to just be with each other. Just have a boring day with each other. In a lot of long-distance relationships, people would go from not seeing each other for a couple of months and then they have this amazing weekend, which is extremely fun and passionate and full of energy. And once they actually move in with each other and spend more time, life naturally gets boring. And then they think that something is wrong. But the reality is relationships get boring sometimes, and that's perfectly okay. So don't have the crazy expectation that your relationship is going to be just like those crazy weekends. So allow some of those weekends together to just be boring. And I can guarantee that this will help you save your relationship. Number 4, create supportive phone calls. There are 2 main things that happen in a long-distance relationships. Sometimes both of you are sad and talk about how much you miss each other and how hard things are, and this takes the conversation to a sad tone. While this can be helpful at some moments, if you're always doing this, that will make him sad too, and you will both think that calling each other is a start of a sad conversation. And on the other hand, some people just talk about how awesome their day is and they are kind of competing who had the better day. So keep it in balance. Don't always talk about the hardships. Talk about how awesome your day is, but make it soft. Say it is awesome because you get to share it with him, or you can say you'd love if he was there to share that experience with you. Bring them into your day. Okay, so, those are the 4 things you can do to make your long-distance relationship work and make him love you even more. Since you've stuck with me till the end, here is the bonus tip. I'm going to give you an amazing tip to instantly make your man miss you in a long-distance relationship. And that is to respect his space. It is important to have personal space. Even he will require it. Demanding attention is one of the worst ways to get attention. How to make someone miss you. Let him come to you. If he is busy, has plans, or wants to work on his own life, give him that opportunity. This will help you create a healthy relationship. But it will also result in him knowing that you care about him and his life, and he will miss you in his day-to-day activities. If you are always demanding for attention, it becomes hard for him, so respect space. Okay, now in a long-distance relationship, it would be extremely easy if the guy is addicted to you. So to do that, I've got a free swipe file to make any man addicted to you down below in the description. And those are not just simple concepts, those are exact phrases you can say to a man to make him truly addicted to you. So make sure to get your free download in the description. And if you want more videos about women's relationships, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.